Hey everyone, here's my 2019, 2019 Hyundai Elantra from the auction. It's crazy to think that this car is 3 years old. I'll show you why. It's kind of scary. Got mold all over it. The brakes are seized up. They look like, I don't know. It just smells like smoke. Just car in a very disgusting condition. Yep. Looks like we got some ash that burned through the seat. At least they knew they were dirty, so they flipped over to the rubber side. So, I'm gonna have to clean all this up. Oh man, even the back of the seats are just dirty, 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 dirty. The whole thing. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. And the whole engine bay is dusty, but that's not a big deal. Battery was dead. I had it charged up a little bit. Main damage is the wheel here. So I'm gonna get to it and power wash this thing. Look at that. We're clean. We got no more mold. We look like a brand new car. Like a brand new car. Except this bit right here. That's the only non-brand new thing about this car. Let's go. We're just gonna start cleaning stuff up.